Let's get you more as far as the special passenger trains now moving to and fro. The national capital is our concern. They're going to cover the length and breadth of the country in 15 very specific locations. My colleague Vikram is joining us from Mumbai Central, while my colleague Suryagini is joining us from the Howrah railway station. Let's go across to Vikram first. Vikram, this is the very first time that those who don't necessarily fall in a category which can be described as stranded or dire are getting an opportunity to move across the country through the railways. So this is coming as big relief. Just give us a sense of what you're witnessing at the Mumbai Central Station.
Well, Shivani, like you correctly pointed out, it's a category of people who travel around the country, but they got stuck in a particular city. We're right now reporting outside the Mumbai Central Station. And if I could ask my VJ Mayur to show you what is happening around. A while back, there was a line that would go so far as to about 100 meters till the end of this entire station, and there's heavy police deployment across this entire Mumbai Central railway station. Now it bears a deserted look because most of the passengers have gone inside. And if I could ask Mayur to show you what is happening as far as the platform is concerned. We just spoke to a couple of policemen, and around 1,200 people have already gone inside, and they had to adhere to the protocols and the standard operating procedure that was laid down by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which included mandating of face masks and gloves. There will be no blankets provided to them. They have to carry their own foods. Only water will be provided to them. So the Health Ministry and the Railway Ministry and the Ministry of Home Affairs making sure that all precautions are taken place, because right now we're in Mumbai, which is the worst affected city due to the coronavirus, and the number of cases have already crossed 14,000. So most of the passengers have already gone inside. There are a couple of passengers who are just coming into the railway station. The platform currently bears a deserted look, but there's a heavy police deployment. All the checks have been made as far as the passengers are concerned, and they will be reaching Delhi by about 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 to 9 a.m. tomorrow. And they were asked to pack light by the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Railway Ministry as well. And about 15-20 minutes back, there was extremely long line here, but the process happened quickly. There were a lot of BMC officials, there were police officials. Their screenings was done, and their temperatures were checked, and they also been provided hand sanitizers and gloves. And remember, there will be no bed sheets or blankets inside the compartment. So all precautions and measures being taken. The train will be leaving from the platform of Mumbai Central at around 5:30 p.m., which is just around 43 minutes from now. So this is one of the first trains that is leaving from different cities around the country, and all these trains will be going back to Delhi, or they are coming from Delhi. And the Mumbai Central train will be traveling daily. And if I could ask Mayur to show you right now, there are still a couple of passengers who have just entered the platform. They are adhering to social distancing. They are wearing masks. They're wearing gloves. They're being checked by the officials. Their temperatures are being checked. Even the police officials who are present inside the railway station, they're wearing face masks. They're wearing protection.
Absolutely.